Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. After a long time, again I'm present with another latest update video about Polygon Matic. Guys, what's going on in the Polygon? What surprise changes occur? We discuss these all thing in this video, so just keep watch this video complete. And if you are new on my channel or if you don't subscribe ABS Tech channel, so kindly subscribe now for Polygon latest update videos, guys. Hope you all subscribe. So thank you so much for this act. It is time, guys, if you talk about the current price of Polygon Matic in the market. So 147 cent, that is the current live price of Polygon. And other side, guys, you can see here, unfortunately, in the last hour, in the last 60-minute changes of Polygon is going negative 0.02%. That's mean that now the beginning of falls is start. Other side, you can see at the last 1 week, the last 1 day changes of Polygon is positive. So I believe, guys, that possibilities that this dump is temporary dump. Let's see the price chart, guys. You can see, guys, obviously you can see on 15 October today, guys, the price highly pump, but now in the latest situation price start dumping. As you know what, I believe, guys, that after pump there is a dump and after dump there is a pump, but slowly you can see a step by step they increase its price and people getting profit, guys. Now you can see a possibility that they continue as move like that, falls, and after falls again start pumping, guys. Anyways, guys, now my prediction is again positive about Polygon is not a Bitcoin, guys. You know what, if you look at previous update of last 1 year update of Polygon, so you found it's good coin, it's a profitable coin, but you have to only active in the market. If you are not active in the market, so I recommend for all of you to hold for long time. That is the way to make money with the crypto, guys. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Polygon? Also share in the comment box, guys, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.